The LUX-X solar storage system by Felicity ESS is a flexible and efficient energy solution tailored to meet various needs. Its stackable design simplifies installation and future upgrades, allowing capacity to scale effortlessly from 5 to 40 kilowatt hours based on power requirements. Both control and battery modules feature display screens for convenient performance monitoring, while attachable wheels make it easy to move. A transparent acrylic plate at the back prevents accidental contact and adds dust protection, enhancing durability. For safety, the system includes a built-in smart aerosol fire extinguishing unit. At Felicity ESS, we adhere to stringent quality standards, with every component undergoing rigorous multi-stage testing to guarantee reliability. We invest over 5% of our revenue into research and development, supported by a team of over 300 R&D staff and a laboratory equipped with cutting-edge technology. This dedication keeps us at the forefront of innovation, delivering the most advanced solutions to our customers.